Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to clear cache of Firefox so you can fix loading issues, free up space, and protect your privacy. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where browser settings are located. Step 2. Click History from the menu. This section contains your browsing activity. Step 3. Select Clear Recent History. A new window will open with history removal options. Step 4. Choose the time range you want to clear, such as last hour, today, or everything. You want to remove the cookies and site data and cached web content. Step 6. Click the checkbox Temporarily Cached Files and Pages, then click Clear. Firefox will delete the selected data from your browser. Your browser caches are now successfully cleared. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.